Let's make these adorable mini crochet flip-flops. They are perfect as a keychain, bag charm, doll accessories, magnets, or anything else your creativity can dream up. Let's get started. We'll need two identical sole pieces for each sandal. I've already made one and now I'll show you how to crochet the second. Start with a slip knot and chain 11. Working into the second chain from the hook. Make 9 single crochets. In the last chain, place 3 single crochets. Continue along the other side with 8 single crochets. Then in the final chain, make an increase. I'll mark the last stitch of the round. For round 2, make an increase in the first stitch. Then crochet 1 single crochet in each of the next 8 stitches. Then work 3 increases in the row. Continue with 8 single crochets. Now make 1 increase and finish the round with 1 single crochet. For round 3, make an increase in the first stitch. Then crochet 5 single crochets. Then 2 half double crochets. And 2 double crochets. Next, make 6 double crochet increases. Continue with 2 double crochets. Two half double crochets. And 5 single crochets. Finish with 1 increase and 1 single crochet. Now move working loop to the back of the piece as shown. Now we have two matching sole pieces. If you are finishing your first sole, fasten off and cut the yarn. Place the two sole pieces with the wrong side facing each other. On the first sole, find the increase near the end of the round. Insert your hook into the second stitch of the increase and pull the working loop through. Now join both sole pieces together using slip stitches through both layers. Continue all the way around. Once you reach the final stitch, fasten off and weave in the yarn end. Now let's make the strap. Make a slip knot and chain 16. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make 7 single crochets. In the next chain, work 2 single crochets, chain 2, skip 1 chain, then make 1 single crochet into the back palm of the next chain. And another single crochet into that same center stitch. Finish the row with 7 single crochets. Leave a long tail for sewing, then fasten off. Sew the strap securely to the sole. And that's it! Your mini crochet flip-flop is finished. Thank you for crocheting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other crochet projects. Happy crocheting!